Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of Social Studies, grade 7. Our today's lesson is about Unit 6, World Continent, Lesson 4, the continent of South America. This lesson is in pages 149 to 152. Location of South America. The continent of South America is surrounded by several bodies of water. It means this continent is covered by water from all the sides. Pacific Ocean is its west, while the north and east sides are bordered by Atlantic Ocean. On its north side and east side there is the Atlantic Ocean. You will see in the map of the location of South America. On the north side, the continent is bordered by Caribbean Sea and North America. This is the map of South America. You can see is bordered by the sea in many sides. This is the map explaining the major cities, major countries. You can see Brazil is there, Colombia, Peru, Venezuela. These are the famous countries in the continent of South America, and border the South America is bordered by the sea. You can see on the map it is clearly mentioned. Countries of South America. The continent of South America consists of 12 countries and 2 dependencies. These are in page number 149. There is the list of countries. 12 countries are there and 2 independencies are in the continent of South America. The continent has several famous places such as Amazon River, which is the largest river in the terms of volume. Another famous place in the continent is the Angel Falls, located in the Venezuela. Angel Fall is very famous because it is the largest. Angel Fall are also known as the highest in the world. These falls are highest in the world. You can see the Andes mountain range, the highest mountain range is very famous. It is called the Andes. The longest mountain range in the world is the Andes. This is in the South America. A view of the largest city in South America, Sao Paulo. You see, this is the picture of Sao Paulo. This is the largest city in the continent of South America. Very famous place. My dear students, the South American countries with the highest economic growth. There are some countries in the South America have the highest economic growth. These countries are Brazil, Argentina, Chile and Colombia. They have the highest economic growth. The major natural resources available in the continent of South America are silver, gold, iron, tin and petroleum. These are the major natural resources, very important natural resources. These resources attract many people to settle in the continent and work in mining to gain more profit. Many people come to settle here because there are a lot of rich natural resources. It is also the source of economic growth. Now come to the exercise of the lesson. South America, page number 152. Exercise 1. Name 5 countries in South America. There are 12 countries. We will mention here 5 countries. Number 1, Argentina. 2, Brazil. Next, Chile. After that, Colombia. And the 5th is Peru. These are the 5 countries in this continent of South America. Exercise 2. What is one famous place in the Venezuela and why it is famous? One famous place in Venezuela is the Angel Falls. It is because it is the highest fall in the world. It is very famous. You can also see in your book. Exercise 3. What is other famous place in the continent and why? Other famous place in the continent is the Amazon River because it is the largest river in terms of volume. According to the volume wise, it is the highest river. Next exercise 4. Name 3 major natural resources in South America. South America is very rich in the natural resources. 3 major natural resources are: number 1 is gold, number 2 silver, and the third is the iron ore. Now homework. In homework you will complete question number 4 and 5 in page number 152, and you will also read the lesson and learn the exercises that is mentioned in page number 152. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Salam.